Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video I'll be showing you this fully functional cardboard bazooka which is themed with Marvel's Iron Man. It looks super cool, but before I show you all the features and how it works, please consider subscribing to this channel and click the bell icon so you'll get notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so this creation is the biggest cardboard weapon I've ever made. Aside from its awesome appeal, this cardboard bazooka can shoot up to 20 feet and maybe even more if I had added more rubber bands to the mechanism. To cock the bazooka, you need to pull its back part and then load the ball into the mouth. Although it took a long time to complete this craft, I guarantee you that making this craft isn't as difficult as you may think it is. So if you want to make this craft, go ahead and watch my tutorial for this machine. I've put up a free template for this craft in my website, so go ahead and click the link in the description. Of course, I couldn't have created this invention without the brilliant mind of AMRMCI. I'm really thankful he shared on his channel how to make the mechanism of his cardboard bazooka, so if you want to check out his videos, you know the drill, link is in the description. Before I end this video though, I'd like to give a massive shout out to Elms DIY, Cassie DIY, and Twice's Official. That's it folks, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!